When disaster strikes, will you be ready? The right vehicle could be the difference between life and death. From rugged off-roaders to vehicles equipped with life-saving features, here are the top 7 best cars for survival. Survival isn't just about storing food and water. It's about mobility, power, and adaptability. In a survival scenario, you'll need a vehicle that can handle tough conditions, get you through remote areas, and even serve as a mobile shelter. Let's dive into the ultimate survival vehicles. Starting off our list at number 7 is the Toyota Land Cruiser. Known for its durability, reliability, and serious off-road capabilities, the Land Cruiser is the perfect choice for those seeking a tough, all-terrain vehicle. With plenty of room for supplies, excellent traction control, and a reputation for surviving even the harshest environments, the Land Cruiser has become a favorite among survivalists worldwide. Next up at number 6 is the Ford F-150 Raptor. This truck is a beast when it comes to power and off-road performance. Thanks to its high-strength aluminum alloy body and powerful V6 engine, with its high ground clearance and upgraded suspension, the Raptor can handle all kinds of terrain. Plus, the massive truck bed gives you plenty of storage for gear, making it an ideal option for long-term survival. At number 5, we have the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. When it comes to going off the beaten path, the Rubicon is hard to beat. With its legendary 4x4 capability, this vehicle is built for climbing over obstacles, crossing streams, and tackling rugged landscapes. The Rubicon is also easily modifiable, so you can add custom racks, storage solutions, and even roof tents for a full mobile survival setup. Number 4 on our list is the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Known for its luxurious design, this vehicle is more than just eye candy. It's a powerhouse. Built with military origins, the G-Wagon has incredible durability and off-road capability, able to tackle steep inclines and deep water crossings. If you're looking for something that combines style with serious survival features, the G-Wagon is an ideal choice, offering comfort without sacrificing ruggedness. Coming in at number 3 is the Toyota Hilux, a vehicle so tough, it's been driven in some of the most extreme environments on the planet. The Hilux has a reputation for being nearly indestructible, and it's no wonder you'll see it used in remote and rugged places across the world. With a solid frame, high ground clearance, and a spacious truck bed, the Hilux is perfect for carrying survival supplies while handling any obstacles that come your way. At number 2, we have the Subaru Outback. Known for its versatility, fuel efficiency, and all-wheel drive system, the Outback is a great choice for survivalists who want a smaller but capable option. The Outback is built for rough weather and can handle snow, rain, and mud, making it ideal for long-distance survival situations. Plus, its impressive fuel economy will keep you moving when gas is scarce. Finally, at the top of our list, the Chevrolet Suburban. This full-size SUV is designed for both rugged performance and family-size space, making it ideal for longer survival situations where you need room for both people and gear. With ample interior space, strong towing capacity, and an off-road package option, the Suburban is ready to take on whatever comes its way. If you need an all-in-one survival solution, this vehicle has you covered. From rugged trucks to adaptable SUVs, these 7 vehicles are built to survive the toughest conditions. But remember, the best survival vehicle is the one that meets your unique needs and can get you safely where you need to go. Which of these cars would you trust for your survival? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on survival, prepping, and all things adventure.